This is a quick, hot fact check.
Hey y'all, I'm Haley.
And I'm Ryan.
And we are in the Brewing Happiness Test Kitchen. Today we're just going to give you a brief explainer on what nori is. We use it in our California deconstructed sushi bowl. So we wanted to talk a little bit about it, and then we're going to show you later in the video where you can find it in the grocery store, because I feel like if you've never used the ingredient before, things can be kind of...
Yeah, you might not know where it is or...
Yeah, so we just want to make it as easy as possible for you.
Exactly.
This is nori. It's a sheet of essentially compressed seaweed.
Yeah, so they take seaweed and dry it and kind of make a paper out of it. Yeah, this is what you'll get a sushi roll.
It's the outside of it, like hand rolls, all of that jazz.
Mm-hmm.
You could put it in your miso soup. We've incorporated it into our avocado sushi rice. In order to do that, you have to use scissors to cut this. This doesn't like cut with a knife.
Yeah, it'd be kind of weird. You could tear it apart if you're looking for a larger chunk or just kind of like something easier to use.
It's essentially like paper. Like it's pretty sturdy. Health-wise, it has tons of health benefits.
Yeah, there's a bunch of nutrients in nori. Any kind of seaweed is going to give you a lot of things like vitamin C, vitamin A. There's also B12. I think it has a full range of B vitamins. So it's nice to get that out of vegetable. Normally that's not something that you see in vegetables.
You see seaweed incorporated a lot into plant-based diets because you can be lacking in B vitamins due to not eating animal protein, so it's great for that. All around, it's a pretty great...
Yeah, it's low calorie, it's got a good amount of fiber in there, and it's just tasty. They do toast this seaweed in the sheet, so you get kind of a nice nutty flavor profile in anything that you're going to put it into, and it's just nice.
It's just nice.
It's just
you heard
nice.
it. Straight from Ryan. Wow, it's just nice.
It's pretty...
Put it on their package. So in the grocery store, you're going to find it like in your Asian aisle.
Mm-hmm.
You can get them basically at any grocery store. We got these at Whole Foods, but you can get them at like any of your local
Yeah, they're pretty...
grocery stores. That's about it. That's what nori is. That's how you use it. I don't feel like I have anything else to say.
No, that's
Coming in hot
pretty much
with
it.
some facts. Until next time, I'm Haley.
And I'm Ryan.
And we're
Making
making healthy
happen.
happen.